tempest roars, you are with me. When creation falls, still my soul will soar on your mercy. I'll walk through the fire with my head lifted up and my spirit revived in your story. And I look to the cross as my failure is lost in the light of your glorious grace. Let the ruins come to life in the beauty of your name, rising up from the ashes. God, forever you reign, and my soul will find refuge in the shadow of your wings. I will Still my hope will cling to your promise. When my courage ends, let my heart find strength.
Hi you guys, so we're about to check out from our camper. So here at Camper and Cabin, and this is their receiving area, just like their lanai. This is their lanai waiting area for or the visitors lounge. I hope you can see it. I wasn't able to show it yesterday. So and I'm gonna show you around. So this is the cabin one, and over there, this one is the cabin too. That's one of the accommodating staff. They're very kind, mabait ng mga Batanggeno. And over here, that one is where the camper is. So we really had a good stay yesterday. Lang ng hangin, pero we had a good night's sleep. It's a bittersweet stay kasi we have to go home right away because her dog died. So yeah, she was in the hospital, but well, she's cut. But anyway, so yeah, meron din sila mga paninda dito. There. So, mga merchandise ng camper and cabin. So yeah. May coffee press sila. This, dripper, these cute bags. And so we're about to head out sa Tagaytay. We have some lunch before we go home. So thanks for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. So come here, try visit them. You'll have a very luxurious experience, one of a kind experience. So it's like literally living in a camper for a day. So that's quite an experience, no? So again, thanks for watching. Bye.